Well, again, each book is different, or has been in my case. So for my earlier books, they really came out of my experiences. The background came out of my experiences, and I didn't have to do much research. And I've grown to love research as time's gone by. When I was doing my third book in Canada, I made a lot of use of the archives in the museum on Cortez, where I was staying, and found it so fascinating to be reading personal accounts of what it had been like to live on that island 100 years earlier. Accounts that had been stored away in the museum and perhaps no one had read, letters that perhaps no one had read. So it gave me a taste for that kind of research. With my present book, just completed, the one set in Israel and Palestine, I did do a lot more research, as you could imagine. I spent time over there. I wrote, I interviewed people for articles that I subsequently wrote while I was there. I went into the West Bank and went walking as very much as in the book, walking from village to village and sleeping on villagers' Palestinians' floors, and hearing their stories. And also speaking at great length to many Israelis and many organisations. And I read very, very widely to sort of soak up and give me, I knew it was a very delicate book to be writing, and I wanted to be absolutely sure that I had enough background to be able to speak into what is such a complicated conflict.